Okay, so let's just get right into it. If you are only using AI in your browser, I'm going to be blunt. You're doing it the slow way, the frustrating way, and frankly, the wrong way. We're going to break down exactly why your browser is basically a prison for AI and show you how the terminal is your escape hatch to some serious power. And yeah, we're not pulling any punches here. We're starting with a pretty raw take from someone who's clearly been burned by corporate AI. Because this isn't just some tech problem, right? It's a system that's actively hostile to its users. It's designed to look like it's helping you, but really it's just setting a trap. So let's talk about the prison itself. This first part is all about the problem. This manipulative, honestly infuriating world of browser-based AI that so many of us are just stuck in. Now this right here, puts a name to all those slimy tactics you've probably felt but couldn't quite pin down. It's the AI scam theater. It's a totally rigged game. You've got fake reasoning, these hidden limits that make the free tiers basically useless, and of course, constant surveillance. And the best part? If you actually get good at using it, they just label you adversarial and find a reason to cut you off. And a huge part of this whole scam is something called thinking theater. You know, when you see the AI breaking down its process step by step, yeah, that's mostly a performance. It's not showing you how it really works. It's a clean, tidy script meant to make you trust it. While all the real stuff, the biases, the secret block lists, is kept completely hidden from you. So what's the actual result of all this theater and all this deception? Well, it's this number. This is what working in the browser prison actually feels like. A single project just shatters into more than 20 different chats and a bunch of scattered notes. The AI is constantly losing its mind, forgetting what you were just doing, and making you start all over again. It is chaos by design. And then, of course, you get this, the classic hostage situation. They let you get deep into a project, pour your time and energy into it, and then bam, this wall goes up, they delete what you just wrote, they kill all your momentum, and they hold your work captive until you pull out your credit card. It's built to break you down, not to help you build anything. But here is the most important part. There is a way out. The big AI companies, they don't really advertise it, but there's a secret escape hatch from this prison. And in this next section, we are kicking down the door. I mean, who isn't, right? The frustration is so real. You get these watered-down, advertiser-friendly answers. You're constantly getting pushed to upgrade. It's just exhausting. But there is a better way. A way that gives you raw, completely unfiltered access to these amazing models. And here it is. It's been hiding in plain sight this whole time. The terminal. I know, it can look a little intimidating. But trust me, this is where the real work gets done. This is how you escape that manipulative UI and talk directly to the machine. Okay, now we're getting to the fun part, the why. Because switching to the terminal isn't just about escaping all the annoying stuff, it is about unlocking a genuine superpower that will completely change the way you work forever. This right here explains the single biggest game changer, context. In the browser, the AI's memory, its context, is hidden from you. It's fragile, it disappears all the time, and it's trapped on their servers. But in the terminal, the context is just a simple file on your hard drive. You can see it, it sticks around, and most importantly, it's yours. You actually own it. And owning your context unlocks these incredible superpowers. I mean, the AI can read and write files directly on your computer. No more copying and pasting. You get these huge free tiers with massive request limits. You can feed it an entire book for context if you want. You can automate ridiculously complex workflows, and it is all completely private, running right there on your own machine. But hold on, because it gets even crazier than that. Once you're comfortable in the terminal, you can stop thinking of AI as just one chatbot. You can start thinking of it as a team, a whole army of specialized employees that you can deploy whenever you want. Yeah, with tools like Claude Code, you can literally build your own personal army of AI agents. Need someone to just ruthlessly tear apart your writing so you can make it better? Deploy the brutal critic. Need to do some deep research? Summon the home lab guru. You can even have an agent that uses another AI, like Gemini, to get its work done for you. And the workflow is it's beautiful. You summon an agent with a simple command. You delegate a task, and it just spins up a brand new instance, like a fresh employee with a totally empty notebook to do the work. This keeps your main conversation from getting all bloated and confused. You're not just a user anymore. You're a manager. So what this all really boils down to is one fundamental, totally game-changing idea: ownership. It's about taking back control of your own work. I mean, just look at this chart. It says it all, right? In the browser, every single chat, every prompt, every project is trapped on their servers. They control it, they can delete it, they can sell it, they can lock you out of it. In the terminal, your project is nothing more than a folder on your hard drive. It is 100% yours.
And this quote from Network Chuck, man, it just nails it. This is about freedom. When you own your context, you escape vendor lock-in. You're not stuck with ChatGPT or Claude or anybody. When the next big thing comes out, you can just plug it into your existing projects and keep right on working because all of your data belongs to you.
So the question is really simple. The corporate giants built a beautiful prison. It's got a frustrating, manipulative user interface, but hey, it looks nice. But the tools to break out? They're free. They're way more powerful, and they put you back in the driver's seat. So why are you still inside?